2012 Vauxhall Corsa D. Both the headlights have stopped working. You think when they both fail it's going to be something major, but on this particular model it's very common for them both to blow at the same time, bizarrely. Whether one pops and it causes a surge which pops the other one, but it's quite common for them both to go at the same time. This one, dead straightforward to get at on this. This is the 1.2. It's got plenty of room down there, you can get your hand in and pop the bulb out. This side, slightly different. We're going to have to take the airbox out to change the bulb, so let's crack on. We can relieve it of its plug at the bottom here. There's a little tab at the bottom there, you pull that out. So you wiggle the little white piece first, pull it back, and then you can press the tab underneath and pull it off. Connector plug I was telling you about, on the underside there, you pull that tab backwards and then squeeze down and it releases it. Let's have a look at this one. There we go. Okay, so we've popped the pipe off, we've undone that one, and we'll slip that out now. So that's that intake pipe out of the way. Got these clips on this airbox here, which we just pull straight up and come away. So squeeze the little tabs on this clip and get it out of the way. There we go. There's one. Same again with this one. Just got the pliers underneath it and give it a good wiggle. Okay, two. So that's the wire out the way now as well. So that out of there. And that out of there. This is just on rubbers. Into there. We should be able to wiggle this out now. Look at me struggling trying to get this box out of here. Put some muscle behind it, lad. Give it a good tug. The technique is to pull it away from the wing, because there's two lugs that sit and go into the inner wing, and they're what you've got to try and get it out. So you're going to grab hold of it, pull it away from the wing and lift at the same time. And I'm just about to figure this out. Here we go, look. We can get that pipe out of the way at the same time as pulling it, tugging it, and come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. So all you've got is just the two rubbers there and a rubber mounting at the bottom. And now we can see the headlight. What we've got is this metal tab here. We pull that, slide it round, and away the cover comes. And inside you've got the bulb, which is set up. And all you're going to do is grab hold of it and pull the whole bulb out, and it comes out, it just clips in. So you literally just pull it straight out and then just wiggle it and disconnect it off of its plug. Always noting that the square bit on that is pointing upwards, so the little square tab on top of the bulb points up. I'll show you the bulb in a minute because it's blown. You can see the filament inside has got a great big hole in it, and that's where it's blown. So again, with the new one going back in, if you're not wearing gloves, you can't touch this. You can't touch the element. If you're wearing gloves, you're okay because you can't get no grease from your hands on there. But if you've got grease on your fingers and you touch that, you stand a chance of it blowing. And then straight forward, you just put the ball back in and push it in with that tab facing upwards, and it just locks into place. And that's it. You can see the bulb in there. That's the bulb assembly, and you literally just grab hold of the bulb and pull it out. It just pings out. It's just on little clips. Right, let's pop this back in again. So the cover, the long part there, slides in first into its locator just down at the side of the headlamp. Slide it in and then you pull that metal beam across and just clip it into place. That's the first part, and I've just got to make sure these parts are out of the way when we bring the airbox back in. Locate the two at the back first. One, two. Get that one out of there. That one's going to slide across, and that's all pushed back into place. Certainly goes in easier than what it comes out. Lock that one back in, we'll do those back up again. And we'll pop that, put it back on, push it on, and then just push the little tab backwards again. There, clips all in place. Beautiful. All working nicely. And there we have it. New headlight bulbs in, working as good as gold. That side's tricky, not the end of the world though. Near side, straightforward, you don't have to take anything off, just a little clip at the back. If that's been of any use to you, leave me a comment or like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.